Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, I did what I believe is going to be my last prepper haul for the month of April. And so I went to a couple stores, got some stuff that I had to go up there. I needed to get some milk, and a couple other things. But while I was there, I picked up other things to build up my pantry here. So, which one to start with first? Well, let's start with Walmart first, since that's where I went first. Got 2 loaves of bread. The grandkids are loving their toast, so I got that. And while I was there, since I finally ran out, I got 2 bottles of Ray's, no sugar added, no high fructose corn syrup. So, yeah, you see in here looking at it, it's like, cool. The only thing that I don't like, it has modified cornstarch in it, but it's got apple cider vinegar, caramel coloring, garlic, water, tomato paste, distilled vinegar, salts, and then seasonings and everything else to make it taste nice. So that there. I got a couple boxes of this. I use this very sparingly. The last box I have here, still have one here that's open, and it's got 4 out of the 10 package left in it, and this is like 2 years old, so I got this just for emergencies, for those times when I need to stay awake all night long or whatever else. So I got 2 of those. And then I killed off my Chipotle Tabasco sauce, and I didn't like the fact that I killed it off and didn't have any more around here, so I got 2 of them. Alright, and put that there. And actually, so let me pull out the receipt here. So the last thing I got there was a plain white flat sheet. I need to use it around here for blocking stuff off and stuff. So, so the Ray's was $3.22 a bottle. So I got 1 grape and I got 1 strawberry. This I forgot. I split it up in those here, but they were $2.08 each. The reason I got strawberry so I don't get totally bored. I love grape, but I figured get some of the other just so I don't get bored or something. The Tabasco sauce was $3.56, and these are 5-ounce. Yeah, 5-ounce bottles. And the bread wasn't. Oh, bread's gone up. It's $1.32. It's slowly creeping up. I remember last year it was 99, and a year before that it was 88 for several years before that. So that's the Walmart portion. And then from Walmart, I stopped at Harbor Freight. Yes, Harbor Freight, and I got 1 item. I got myself another of the utility knives that has the rolling release on it here, and has the belt clip on the back. And this is my favorite utility knife all around. In fact, it is the same knife. You can't really read where it says Gordon on there like it does here, but same knife. And just to show you real quick what I'm talking about, the rolling release here. I pull back on it, boom, nice, gently, no tugging, no scratching on it. So that's that. All right. Then after Harbor Freight, I went to Sam's Club. I picked up another double pack of tortillas. Grandkids have been here. They've been getting quesadillas. So that, and the tortillas was so there's 50 per, or is it 225s? Hang on, I'm trying to see what it says here. I'm guessing it's 225 bags. There's 2 bags inside here, so it's 25 per each bag, 50 total. So 50 tortillas for $4.92. Then let me open up the refrigeration bag here. So I got a gallon of milk, and the milk was whole milk, $3.42. And then I got the grandkids were over here a bunch, and they killed me off on my cheese. So I got 3 packages here, and these are $8.87. Prices come down on them again, so that's good. So I got 3 of those. All right, so that was my Walmart haul, and then my last place I went. Yep, oh, one of the items fell down. Yeah. I stopped off at the Ace Hardware in Shelley, and I picked myself up a nice belt for $19.99. Thick leather, heavy duty. This will last me probably. Actually, my sons will inherit this belt before it wears out. So I just wanted to have another one around here. And then I picked up, where's the Ace Hardware? Okay, I picked up something for the Gazelle, which you've seen me using over on Camp Patton Family Compound for the weight loss, my exercising thing. And I picked up something for it because it's been starting, I've had it for over 20 years. And it's starting to chatter a little bit as far as where the things rub and stuff, that, as it goes. And saying, hey, I need grease. So I picked up a small tube of grease. And this was $3.59. So, and this lithium grease, you can use it in hundreds of things where you need, or WD-40 doesn't provide long-lasting, lubrication. You take it apart, put a little dab of this on there, and it'll go for years. Because it's been 20 years since the last time that thing was, actually over 20 years. Because that was before I started to work for Homeland Security back in 2002. So it's been over 20 years. And that white lithium grease lasts forever. Right? So that's what I picked up today. And so before I take off, I just want to remind you guys, keep adding to your preps. On your prepper pantry, or just your normal, if you don't have a prepper pantry, just have a pantry, make sure you know what's in there. Check expiration dates, or, sorry, a lot of them, they're not expiration dates, they are best used by dates. So check the best used by dates, see how the stuff's going. And if, make notes of what you use the most of, and that's what you should be stocking the most of in your pantry. All right, and I'm going to leave some links up here around here. My other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, has a couple of emergency preparedness playlists. There is the Gray Man Prepping playlist over there, and then there's some how-to playlists for emergency preparedness as well. You might want to check it out. So I'm going to put the channel link right up here. And then I'm going to put the Prepping and Private playlist up here, and the Prepping for Beginners playlist down here. Why? Well, this is why.